back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, chorizo egg rolls that I know you guys are going to love, and they are perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare these chorizo egg rolls. These are the ingredients. Of course, the egg roll wrappers, salt, black pepper, bacon, Mexican blend cheddar cheese, chorizo, red and orange bell pepper, celery, and of course, the cabbage. This is everything we need. So let's get started. I want to start with the bacon. I am going to get the bacon nice and golden brown, and it really doesn't take too long. But let me tell you, these egg rolls with chorizo, bacon, and the rest of the ingredients come out delicious. The holidays are here. Let's enjoy this amazing recipe. Who doesn't love bacon and who doesn't love chorizo? I am sure you're really going to love this easy and delicious egg rolls made at home with lots of love. When the bacon is done, I'm going to start cooking the chorizo. I am going to separate it really good. I'm cooking it in medium heat so I could really pull it apart. Once it's nice pulled apart, I am going to cook it in very low heat so that I have time to start slicing the rest of the veggies. So here I'm gonna let it cook in very low heat, getting nice and brown and releasing all those amazing and delicious flavors and aroma. Of course, I want to start with my bell peppers. I have the red and the orange bell pepper that I'm going to slice. I'm going to slice my veggies almost the same size. This is going to really incorporate really good all the veggies, and of course with the chorizo and the bacon and the Mexican blend cheese. Be generous with your cheese, like I always say. Remember that the salt and the black pepper is to taste. You're going to have all those amazing ingredients and measurements in the description box. Once you add your veggies into the chorizo, just cook it for about 2 minutes, no more than 2 minutes. You just want to incorporate and get everything really nice and covered with the bacon and the chorizo. Only 2 to 3 minutes. Toss it, flip it around, make sure that everything is coated. Once everything is coated, remove it from the stove and let it cool down at room temperature. I love transfer it to another container so it starts coming to room temperature. Here I have cornstarch. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to be the glue to make these amazing egg rolls so that they don't open when you are frying them. Let me tell you, these egg rolls really come out really crispy. I am going to fry them twice, and I will show you that step. When everything is at room temperature, I'm going to add the cheese. I'm going to mix it really good, and now I am ready to make these amazing homemade egg rolls. Be generous with your filling. Look at this. Look how easy it is. It's like making mini burritos. Here in this edge, I am going to add the glue with my fingertip. Once you add it in here, just roll it, and let me tell you, this glue really helps. keeping everything inside and avoiding the oil to go inside your egg roll. Be patient, because I know that this really is time consuming, but let me tell you, once you make these amazing egg rolls with chorizo and bacon, you are really going to fall in love with them. Look at this. Look how easy you could make your egg rolls at home. Like I always say, be generous. With this mixture, I am going to make about 18 egg rolls. They come out delicious and crispy. And now my vegetable oil is nice and hot. I am going to add them in here, seam side down, and we're only gonna flip them twice. So leave them in here, cover them with the vegetable oil, and then you are ready to flip. You could just enjoy them just like that. Just make sure that you put them in a tray so that the excessive oil falls out, or you could fry them twice. When you fry them twice, the egg roll from the outside is so crispy that once you bite into it, it really falls apart. That's how delicious and crispy they get when you fry them twice. Here, I'm only gonna fry them once, and this is the second time that I am frying them. You could really see the color of the egg rolls are totally nice and crispy. Of course, I have a dip here. I have sour cream, and I'm gonna add the chili oil, the salsa macha. I really love spicy food, and I know that this is going to be so amazing. I'm really going to enjoy this dip. And now I am ready to reveal how it looks from the inside. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and share this video. Be part of my family so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chorizo and bacon egg roll that I know you guys are going to love. The holidays are here, and let's enjoy this amazing egg roll with our beautiful family. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. My dip is sour cream and chili oil. I really love hot and spicy food. So let me enjoy this amazing egg roll. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you enjoy what I enjoy here with my beautiful family. Excuse me. Oh my God, delicious. This is really an amazing recipe. I am sure you guys are really going to enjoy it. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing egg roll recipe at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.